If there are 2 or 3 story building, if there is a 2 or 3 story building, there is not going to be enough roof space for all parties. Is it then going to have to be a first in, first serve?
No. And this is where it comes down to passive body corporates and active bodies corporate. I mean, years ago, I wrote an article about this with a view to trying to get a bit of work from bodies corporate about drafting bylaws that were fair to ensure a fair allocation. And I think I've got it kicking around on the system somewhere. You know, as per usual, anything proactive is a hard sell, because most of the time it's just we're all busy people, and you know it's not until we have a problem in front of us that we actually really have to come and address it. So short answer to that question is no. All right. Long answer is, to avoid it becoming first in, best dressed, get active, get on the committee and run an agenda of let's put a solar bylaw in place, or go and do some research and find one, put it forward to the committee and say, this shouldn't be first in, best dressed. It should be, you know, either the body corporate will do it and take responsibility for it, right, and take the benefits of it. And there's really interesting ways of doing that. I mean, what I'm researching, you know, my own community title scheme is a bit of a test bed for me. One of the things I'm looking at is we're going to loan money for the body corporate to buy the system, to put it on the roof, to supply the common property, to sell it to the lot owners on a first in, best dressed basis, but we're going to charge it at the retail rate less a percentage, which is more than the repayments on the loan. So the loan gets repaid. So we're getting a little bit of a discount on our power because it's all commercial lots. That will help repay, right? When we get to the end of the repayment period, it's a body corporate asset. And so then, you know, we'll still sell the electricity. The idea won't be to make a profit, and I'll have to fine tune that, but we might make some improvements like putting some battery storage in and those sort of things. By that stage, we'll probably have electric cars downstairs that are being charged. So yeah, it's get proactive, preferably get on the committee, get the issue in front of people, because it will either be body corporate buys it and puts it in, or body corporate sets up the framework so that people can then do their own, or it's going to be the Wild West. All right, first in, best dressed, I'm a cattle baron and this is my land and you can go to hell, or here's a fair system that you can all work within, or body corporate's going to do it all.